This is a very easy living challenge for black. Black has a very good shape here, and its eye space is actually pretty big. So if you're in a real game, and if you want to find a very quick way to live, just use the build 2 eyes method. Your eye space is pretty big, and all you have to do is to place something in the middle and make sure you have one eye on the left here, number 2 cannot escape, and one eye here on the right side, like this. So that's why number 1 should be the pretty intuitive, correct answer. But of course, this problem might have multiple solutions. Right? You can crawl here first. It's the same result as long as you get to this point. White can't really come in. Black's eye space is simply too big. You might also want to try this move, but this way. Now when black extends here, white might be able to Atari here. Black can connect, white will have to enclose black. And this way, this is going to be a seki, so it's also playable, a little more complicated. But overall, for the purpose of this problem, what this problem teaches us is that when you're faced with a situation like this, we should think build 2 eyes, right? Find 2 eyes, and the method here is to place something here in the middle, right? To make sure you have one eye on each side. So that's a very quick and very organized way of approaching this problem. And that is something you should learn in games because it saves you a lot of time. Calculating number 1 right here is very, very easy compared to calculating all the potential variations after this move. So in a real game, if you want to make a living shape, go for this move and you'll be fine. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.